Greetings and welcome to Busy Bee from Germany. I did a video about how to identify your Barbie doll in the last weeks, and since many of you were interested in the topic, I decided to do a second video about this topic. As I already mentioned, it's important that you study the eyes closely. They are important for your ID. You could also say it's all about the eyes of your Barbie doll. This time I use only pics to show you the differences. It's much easier. I tell you about the different types and you only have to listen and understand very easy. So let's start with a vintage Barbie. She's really old, from 1963. She has painted eyes. Typical for this type of face is the modeled eyelid. To see it better, I also took a pic from the side. I hope you can see what I mean. For the ID of your vintage dolls, I also recommend a look at her butt. The country of production must be Japan. If not, your doll is a reproduction. Mattel did several ones in the last years. Next eye type is the mod Barbie doll with real lashes. I hope you can see them. The light caused here a little shadow. I don't really want it. I also took a pic from the side, but it was also not perfect. So I show you another one from one of my reboots. I think you understand what I mean now. Then we have Funtime Barbie from the 1970s. After the real eyelashes disappeared, she has only 3 visible lashes. I hope you can see it in my pic. It's not perfect. The next candidate is the 1977 Superstar Barbie. She has also 3 visible lashes and in the back a light blue eyeshadow, very characteristic. In the mid-80s, we suddenly have lots of lashes, very detailed, giving her a realistic look. Another example for the multiple lashes is Tropical Barbie. Same era, but the look is very different from the other one. Next, jump into the 1990s. I don't know why, but the Barbie dolls from my childhood remind me of anime and manga eyes. There are only a few lashes, but lots of eyeshadow. This becomes more extreme in the mid-1990s, like you can see at my cartoon style Barbie. By the end of the decade, we have lots of lashes again in very great detail. The iris itself is also very detailed. And one last example for eyelashes is the 2012 Life in a Dreamhouse Raquel, who has also real eyelashes, but way too much. It doesn't look realistic, but funny somehow. Some collector dolls also have extreme eyelashes, like Raquel, but they don't look very different from the mod Barbie dolls from the late 1960s. I hope this was helpful to some of you. Thanks for watching. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. To help this channel grow, please send me your broken Barbie dolls. Thanks!